Hi everyone, it's Giorgia here and welcome to Be Colorful. Today I'm gonna create with you the first card using the Tonic Craft Kit 50. In the last video we created lots of flowers with the dies of the kit, using lots of mediums to get different effects. For this card I'm gonna use the Vellum flowers colored by using the red ink pad included in the kit. First of all, I'm gonna create the card base with the shape of this die of the kit. This type of card is called shaped card. That is a card with a particular shape, not the classic rectangle or square card. One way to create this type of card is to die cut the shape twice. Then on the bottom panel I'm going to create a score line on the top side or on the left side, depending on how you want the card to open. Before gluing the two parts together, I'm gonna decorate the main panel, creating a very delicate background. In fact, I'm going to die cut this intricate die twice on white cardstock, creating a delicate white on white frame. Well, now I'm gonna glue the two parts of the card base by applying the glue only on the flap we have created. Let's move on to the creation of the sentiment, for which I'm gonna use the die of the kit by die cutting on white cardstock. To make this die cut stand out a little bit more, I'm going to die cut again onto grey cardstock. Then I glue the white sentiment on top of the grey one, but slightly offset, creating a sort of shadow. As I have already said, to decorate the card I'm gonna use the pink Vellum flowers created in the last video. I created 3 of them, but I'd like to add 2 more flowers to accompany them. So, still on the vellum, I'm going to die cut 2 of these flowers. I'm going to color the petals with a warm grey marker. And the stamens with the red marker included in the kit. I then create a decorative line on the petals using a dot with a very thin tip. With the Quilling tool I'm going to create the flower. And now I can start gluing everything on the card base. For the flowers I'm gonna use hot glue. It is a little bit messy, but faster than the liquid glue. and in my opinion it is easier than the liquid glue when we have to attach three-dimensional flowers. I think that my flower composition needs some leaves. So I'm going to color a piece of vellum with a green ink pad. I remove the excess ink. I dry well. And I'm going to die cut some leaves. Any dye is fine. I found these in a sunflower Sizzix set. Still with a thin tip dotter, I'm going to draw the classic veins of the leaves. Finally, I can glue the leaves on the card. Once everything is glued, I'm going to add some finishing touches, creating dewdrops on the flowers with this clear and shiny crystal drop included in the kit. On the flowers of the sentiment, I'm gonna glue some iridescent gems included in the kit as well. And that's all for today. A very simple, delicate and elegant card, which makes our beautiful vellum flowers stand out. If you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and even a comment if you like. This will help support and grow my channel a bit. Thanks for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye and be colorful.